What's up, guys? Today I'm gonna jump right into this one. You guys have all been asking for this. Well, a lot of you. Like I look at the comments, the last video on, how to fix the Mico not firing and so on. Anyway, this is the video you want to see. I'm gonna take the Mico completely apart, put it on camera, HD quality. You're gonna see every little detail of how to take this thing apart. And when you're done, hopefully it'll look something like this, but this is along the way. So let's jump right into it. I'm going to put this together real carefully, try to explain everything very well. Guys, listen, as always, I don't always respond very fast, but please comment. Let me know if it worked. Do me a favor, comment either way. Subscribe, like the video, please like the video. It helps push it out further. I pride myself in creating, quality, genuine content. Please like the video. That way I can get it out there. A lot of people can see it. Like, comment, subscribe. Now I'm going to quit wasting your time. We'll dive right in. Hang tight.
All right, I'm going to try to go through this kind of quick for you so it doesn't take too long. Basically, what you need is something to pry the case open. Okay. Now, I don't know if I mentioned it already, but you've got to take the Mico side off. Okay. If you take the Smok side off, you're not going to see a whole lot. Okay. It's just a metal plate. Got to take this off. Now, I thought about a razor blade. If you're going to use a razor blade, be very careful to get in here. Okay. Because one slip and obviously there goes your finger. But basically what I do is start towards the top here. Now I've done this before, so mine's going to be a little bit easier. Do be careful with yours. All right. Now, again, the first time for you guys, it's probably going to be more difficult because there's double-sided tape. So if you want to take a blow dryer, heat gun, something like that, warm it up. Don't heat it up. Don't go overboard. But just to get that tape kind of loose. Again, mine's going to come right out. All right. Now, when yours, pry this off here. When you do yours, once you get this front plate off, the Mico side, okay, yours is going to look like this. All right, battery, everything is right there, okay? The battery, just take some, and again, yours is going to be stickier, but you just want to pry that out, okay? Now, I'm just going to go over real quick. If you want to continue to disassemble this, I'm going to go over it. I'm not going to show you necessarily because I just got this one back together and it is a pain. But real quick, just to point out, let's see if we can get this to focus. There we go. All right. Right here, if you see that little black piece right there, it's going to be a rubber boot that seals the air sensor to the bottom of the case here. Okay. So that way when you inhale, it pulls the air sensor. If you want to clean around that area real good, here's your two contacts for the, contact or the leads in here. All right. And again, while you're doing this, just make sure that switch is off. And if you want to take the whole board out, it's a little bit of a pain. But what you have to do is take those two screws out. There's one here, and then there's one right here. Okay. You back those two screws out, the plate will lift up. Be very careful not to contact the battery leads together because it will, start sparking. But then what you have to do is actually push these. I don't know if you can see those little silver leads here. That's where it's soldered. Okay. You've got to push those up, and I'll do one for you just to show you. See how it popped up there? I'll go ahead and do the other one. Why not? Okay. Down here, that's where you've got your, oh, I may have pushed it down too far. Let's push those up again. All right. See how that kind of comes up there? Get that out. You can pull that up a little bit. All right. You've got to pull that up and kind of get those leads out of the way so that you can take the board out. All right. When you do, if you look right here, this is your switch mechanism. All right. Oh, see that? Okay. You pry the board up, pull it away from the back, the charging port here. and kind of up and out, and that switch will fall out. Okay, when you put it back together, it's kind of a pain to get that switch to line up. But if you want to take it all the way down, great, good on you. But I'm just going to leave it right here, and then obviously you reverse the steps, put everything back together here. Push that back down. You can pull it by the wires; they're pretty sturdy. Pull that, push that all the way back down to the bottom there. You'll feel it kind of click when it does. Right. There it goes, all the way back down. After you've cleaned it, I would probably take some, rubbing alcohol on a Q-tip and kind of clean around that sensor there. Be easy with it. Don't go overboard. And again, make sure that switch is off. Again, do this at your own risk. I'm not recommending you take it apart because it is a little bit more complicated than like the Novo per se. And this one here, it stopped working on me, and I was able to get it working again because the air valve, this wasn't creating a seal right here, but I did get to fix it. But anyway, that's how you take it apart. Again, remember, it's the Mico side of the plate and not the Smok side. And if you look here, just to give you an idea of the clips, there's one clip right here, a couple on this side, a little small one down here. I don't know if you can see that. It's a small indent. And then this is just like a little tab right here. But be very careful because this stuff is not that sturdy. Okay, so obviously I've taken mine apart quite a few times. When you put it back in, I just put this side in first with the two tabs. And click, put it back in. And there we go. It's all back together. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. I know it took me a while to get this video out. I apologize for that. I've been super busy with work lately. Please comment, like, subscribe. You guys know the drill. Definitely comment and like the video. It helps get the content out there for more people to see. So if you want me to create a video on anything else, I've got some buddies with some Novos, and or I already did a Novo, but the Nord, couple other ones. Let me know what you want to see. I'll do my best to get more content out there, and I'm not afraid to tear into something and possibly have to buy a new one. Thank you guys for watching.